Hello, this is Justin from Honors WP. Today I'm going to walk you through how to use our course seats for LearnDash add-on. And what this add-on does is allow you to restrict the number of students who can enroll in your LearnDash courses. So say you have a LearnDash course on your site and you want to offer 10 available seats before access is cut off. And you have 8 students who have now enrolled in your course and 2 seats are left. If you have anybody on your site looking for a course to buy and they see there's only 2 seats left for this particular course, they are more likely to buy it because they don't want to miss out. So just like concert tickets, sporting events where you get a notification that ticket sales are going fast and there's not many seats available, you're more likely to buy those tickets because you don't want to miss out on this particular concert or sporting event or whatever the case may be. It's the same thing for LearnDash courses. If a customer sees that seat availability is limited, they're more likely to buy. So to configure that on your LearnDash site, we're just going to go to our dashboard, go to LearnDash and courses, and we'll pick a course to configure our course seats for. So let's go with HTML for beginners. So we'll click edit. Then we'll navigate to settings. Scroll down to the course seats for LearnDash settings. So right here, available course seats. Right now it's set to 10. Let's increase that to 15. We also have the option to show remaining course seats. So show what course seats are still available. We'll leave that toggle to yes. We also have the option to show the number of enrolled students in this particular LearnDash course. We'll also toggle that to yes. Then we also have the option to display on the front end of our LearnDash course page which of these two options we would want to display first. So I would want to show the remaining seats first because if there's somebody on my site that wants to purchase my LearnDash course, I would rather they see that there's only a few seats remaining as opposed to how many enrolled students I have in this course. The last option we have is to prevent WooCommerce checkout if all seats are taken. So if you're using WooCommerce and you want to utilize this function, it will prevent checkout from happening if all available course seats are taken. But we will look at that setting in just a little bit. So let's update this. All right, the course has been updated. So let's view our course. Now, as you can see right here on the front end, there are 8 seats remaining in this course, and 7 users have already enrolled in this course. So now we can see how many seats are remaining and how many users are enrolled. So something else we can do with our course seats for LearnDash add-on is we can also show a list of the LearnDash users that are enrolled in this course. So to do that, let's click up here to edit course. Then right below here, we can add our shortcode, which I will also link in the description, the documentation article to applying our shortcodes. So LDCS student list. Then we'll close that. Then we'll click update. All right, then let's view the course. Now, as you can see on the LearnDash course page, HTML for beginners, it now shows the seats that are remaining in this course, the number of users that are enrolled in this course, and right below this little opening paragraph, using our shortcode, it now shows the names of the enrolled students in this particular course. So now let's go back to the WooCommerce settings. So we're going to switch to another site. This site has WooCommerce installed as well as the LearnDash WooCommerce integration plugin installed. This is that same course, HTML for beginners. Just go to the settings here, scroll back down. As you can see on this site, using this course, the prevent WooCommerce checkout if all seats are taken option is checked. So just be sure we'll update this. Then we'll view the course. So on this particular site using this course, now 0 seats remain, and I only offered 7 available seats for this course, and 7 users have enrolled. So now there are no more seats available for this course. And if I'm a customer and say I navigate to the shop page, I offer 3 courses on my site. You can add basic programming concepts and SEO training to the cart. But because the HTML for Beginners course has no more remaining seats, and I checked the box in my settings, I'm not able to add it to my cart. I can click read more and it could show any information on the course, but I'm not able to add it to my cart because of the settings that I configured earlier. So using this plugin is fairly simple, but it can be very useful in helping increase your course sales by letting customers know that there's a limited number of available seats for your course offerings. So feel free to contact us with any questions you may have about the plugin. Like the video if you found it useful, and be sure to subscribe to be notified anytime we drop new videos. Thank you.